Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. Puthi unjani?
Saphila mfowethu angiqale nje uku-introduce igama nguCharles Ngwakacindi bese nangiceda ngibuye sekhunda eMbalenhle branch. Okokuqala nje angiqale nje ngixolise kubalandeli beBhakaniya siyaxolisa for itrauma esinikhosele yona ngoba sifeed isystem i-compute ticket imali yaze yacrasha sicrashile isystem and you guys you're not used to that. Nijayele ukudlala le la ngidlalwa khona ngazi ukuthi kune COVID le eAfrica. Okunye ngifuna ukudlulisa bese factorize thina bese factorization upapa unokushaya imaths thina angisho no factorizer you factorize by taking the highest common factor or you factorize by grouping the like terms together so thina si factorize ngalento okuthiwa we take the highest common factor thina nasiqala ukudlala iNedbank Cup bese bamba ama-team amakhulu siphuma ngama-team amakhulu besenzani ke nasenza nangamagoli amaningi nasibamba ama-team amakhulu senzani we factorize by taking the highest common factor but in your photosynthesis but it's a slow process of rock whereby green plants manufacture its own food during the presence of sunlight from the sunlight right and the photo means light best busy siyayifota sithathe ukukhanya and esenzeni ke sithina singamakhosi but iyadle emnyama kanti sikufida poison sihlanyela le yadli poison sayihlanyele sokhasiti lasihlanyele sokhasiti sayinisela yahamba yeze eThekwini but sithe nasise siqala sithi sayivuna eThekwini angisho yini ilento lena baba ile slow process of rock whereby green plants manufacture its own food during the presence of sunlight iphuphutha umoya from the roots iphuphutha umoya ihambi yomila le kwenye indawo la imila khona siyazi ukuthi phela umoya ubheke ngakuphi thina soyifunela ngakhona
yawela emhlabathini
ovundile and thina senzani la magama lawo asho into simple ukuthi we follow the process we don't want baba Jwara woza ngizokutshela isilungu you can never enjoy the today like will never be a tomorrow nangu baba Jwara sithi baba Jwara sikhuluma nge-photosynthesis ethi it's a slow process of rock whereby green plants manufacture its own food during the present ihlanyele yona thina sihlanyele la sihlanyele eThekwini sindlisa inyama ebulele ukuthi neyadle emnyama kanti thina sidla poison siyazi sibeke ithibhoni thina sibeke ithibhoni iyehla ithibhoni ize eThekwini nibanjwa kanjalo baba Jwara kodwa nje athi ngiqolise njengeBhakaniya ukuthi siyaxolisa baba Jwara as amakhosi ukuthi i-system le moment esinikeze yona safeed isystem imali ya crash isystem and anijwayela ngalento lena lento lena ye sold out if invela kancane la kini seyifake lento baba Jwara siyabonga mnganami
akubosha wakho le For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.